How much money can you make as a delivery driver on Postmates? 10, 20, $30 an hour? I literally had no idea, so I decided to try it out for myself. I signed up for a Postmates driver's account, got my prepaid Postmates debit card in the mail, and then a few days ago, I decided today's the day I'm going to see how much I can make. Okay, so the Postmates website says that 11 a.m. is the peak time for deliveries. So right now it's actually 10:42 a.m. I'm gonna wait a little bit and then I'm going to start accepting deliveries. I'm actually kind of nervous because I've never done anything like this. I have no idea how much money I'm gonna make. Might make $10, might make, I don't know, $100, who knows? All right, so it is 10:51. I'm gonna go into the Fleet app. Okay, I'm gonna press go online. I got one. All right, Duck Donuts. Wait a second, that's far as hell. I'm not doing that. Decline. All right, so we got another one, but why is that so far? Like that's way too far. I'm not doing that. Just declined my second offer. I don't know, I'm probably just being too picky, but I don't want to drive that far, to be honest. That's pretty cool though. Like I got 2 offers within, what, a minute or 2? It's pretty good. Okay, I got another one, Walmart, which is kind of far away. I'm going to decline. Don't worry, I'm not starting the clock until I accept my first offer. I just got one and it's really close, so I'm going to accept my first one. All right, let's go. I gotta go. I have like 6 minutes to get there. Let's go. Let's see, it says we're gonna be there in 6 minutes. So I'm starting this challenge at 11 a.m. Let's see how much money I make per hour, starting now. All right, so I've made it to the first location. I'm gonna go pick up the first order. Oh, awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, so this person got iced Vietnamese coffee and a grilled pork vermicelli with egg roll. Sounds really good. 6 minutes, let's go. Dude, I'm really stressed. Oh shit, I forgot the food. I literally almost drove off with the food right there. Oh my God, okay. Here we go. Okay, so I've arrived. Let's see, it says meet me in the lobby. Alrighty, let's go. Hi.
Running around.
There you go. For Jessica, right?
Yes.
Cool.
Thanks very much.
You're welcome. So we did the first drop off of the day. Let's go. So initial impressions, I think that was a pretty easy one. It was only like maybe 3 miles of driving total. So I'll see how much I made. I think it really depends on the tips, you guys. So I feel like the fares are not gonna be that high for such a short delivery. Yeah, I'm just heading back to the car and see if we can get our next pickup. Okay, so we got our next delivery. It's at this poke place nearby, but the drive is a little bit far to drop it off, but let's just do it. It's for the video. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea where this next restaurant is. All right, I have no idea where this is. Give me a second. And I'm a terrible Postmates delivery driver. Ooh, yeah. But you know what we do? This is how we hustle. This is how we try all the different jobs in the world. And hey, if you're doing Postmates, dude, like you learn a lot from it. You learn how to interact with clients, how to efficiently drive. There it is, you guys. Hi, pickup for Gabby for Postmates. Oh, okay, thank you.
All set. Thank you.
Thanks so much. Okay, so another thought. This feels like I'm playing a video game, guys. It's actually kind of fun. You know that if you don't get there on time, you're not gonna get 5 stars, you're not gonna get a tip, and that makes driving for Postmates probably not worth it. So I am out of breath. This is a good workout. Down to burn some calories. All right, not gonna lie, this is not a good one to get. It is 6 miles away. I'm not the biggest fan of driving, so I'm gonna try and not do deliveries this far. Yeah, it's very easy to pick up the food. You just literally walk in, you say you're here for Postmates for the person's name, and then you're good to go. All right, so I've just dropped off my second order. Now I am seeing if I can find the third order, Chick-fil-A, Costa Mesa. All right, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. I'm so tempted just to eat this Chick-fil-A. It smells so good. All Okay, but I think this delivery is pretty far. It's all the way in like downtown Costa Mesa. So this might be a little bit of a further drive. But the reason why I wanted to take this delivery is because the drop-off area is right by my girlfriend's work. So I'm actually gonna pick up some food for her and drop it off there. All right, I just made it to the third drop-off location. Got the Chick-fil-A in the car. This is a really nice house. Hi, delivery for Brianna?
Yeah, that's
okay, cool.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So now I'm gonna just take a little quick break because I want to get some food for my girlfriend and drop it off at her work. I know she goes long days without actually eating anything. So hopefully I get some brownie points. Just dropped by Santa Monica Seafood here in Costa Mesa, and I'm gonna go drop this off at my girlfriend's place now. Hi. I have food for you. I'm delivering Postmates right now for the video.
Oh my god.
Yeah. I'm gonna leave this in the thing. All right, so just delivered some food to Jazz. Apparently she's almost done with work today, which means that I did not have to do that. But I think I'm gonna try and do one more delivery, just one more. So I'm gonna be honest, I have not made that much money yet. I'll show you guys how much I make at the end of the video because it doesn't show any tips yet. This is really hard work, you guys. Like, I did not expect delivering food to be this hard because the faster you deliver stuff, the more money you can make. So obviously you don't want to drive slow. You don't want to take a long time trying to find the restaurant or finding your customer. So yeah, this is pretty stressful. I won't lie. I get flustered really easily and I am definitely flustered right now. Okay, so it's been like 5 minutes and I still have not gotten an offer yet. If I don't get anything good in the next few minutes, I think I'm gonna call it quits for today. So yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, so it's been a total of 10 minutes. I think I'm gonna call it quits because it doesn't seem like anyone is buying food right now. But it's 1:03 right now p.m. That means I've been driving for just over 2 hours. And I will say the last 20 minutes or so, I was delivering food for my girlfriend. So we'll round it down to an hour and a half of delivery time with a total of 3 deliveries. So let's go back home and I'm gonna show you guys how much I made. Woo! So it's been a few days since I did the Postmates deliveries and I'm glad I waited because it actually took a couple days for the tips to show up. But this is what you guys have been waiting for. I'm gonna show you guys how much money I made in about 2 hours of driving. So I'm gonna open up my Fleet account and this is basically the app that lets you go online and be able to accept deliveries. And if I come here to deliveries, I can see I did 3 separate delivery orders on the day I drove for Postmates. And you can see the first one started at 10:58 a.m. The next one was at 11:23 a.m. And the one after that was 11:59 a.m. On my first order of the day, I actually made $8.62. And to be honest, that is pretty good. The distance was only 1.62 miles. It says my wait time was 5.71 minutes. And then if you look at the actual amount I made, it says the base was $3.61. And then the bonus, which is the tip from the person I delivered the food to, was $5.01. Now that's actually a really great tip and I just want to give her a shout out because that's a big tip for such a small order. Like I think it was literally a sandwich and then maybe a drink. Now going on to my second delivery, this one's also very good. This one's to a hospital and the person I delivered to was either a nurse or a doctor, I don't know. But she was super friendly and I suspect she may have tipped me more because she actually saw me. She saw my car and she asked me what I was filming for and I told her it was for a YouTube video. But for this one was pretty far actually. I had to drive 7.42 miles and the base rate was $6.20, but she tipped $7.30, you guys. I want to give her a shout out. Thank you so much. And yeah, I guess if you're able to get people who tip you well, then you can absolutely make more money than, you know, if you just relied on the base rates. And the third person, this is the only person that didn't tip. That's okay. This one made me $4.48 and the distance of the delivery was 3.72 miles. And yeah, we just got the base rate of $4.48. I don't see a tip yet, but it is possible that they still might add one. So if we add these things up, we have 4.48 and then $13.50 and $8.62. So I made a total of $26.60. I drove for about 2 miles, but the last, I'd say 20 minutes or so, I was actually getting food for my girlfriend and delivering it to her. so I'm not going to count that. So we made $26.60 in, I'll say, 1 hour and 40 minutes. So if I take 26.6 and divide it by 1.66666 hours, that gives us an hourly rate of $15.96, which I'll round to $16. So now $16 an hour, it's not that great, but it's actually not as bad as I thought. The only thing I will say is you need to take into consideration the amount of wear and tear you're putting on your car and the amount of money you're spending on gas. So I did this calculation a long time ago, but for each mile I drive on my i8, it costs me about $2. Now I added up all the miles I drove based on the app and it came out to 12 miles. But in total, I drove about 22 miles that day. So if you multiply 22 by $2 per mile, that's $44 I spent on my car. So if we take $26.60, which is the total amount I made, and subtract $44, that gives us negative $17.40. Divide that by 1.666 hours, and that comes out to me losing about $10 each hour that I drive. Now, obviously, most people that are gonna be driving for Postmates aren't gonna be doing that in an expensive car. So I definitely recommend if you drive Postmates, do it in a car that doesn't cost a lot of money, and that's really going to help you out. Plus, for every business mile that you drive, you can write off 50 cents on your taxes. So assuming that I drove 22 miles on this day, if you take that and you multiply it by 0.56, that means I can write off $12.32 from my taxable income. Or I guess for me, I would actually want to do the actual expenses, so write off about $44. But yeah, I thought it was pretty cool. I made about $16 per hour driving Postmates, not including my expenses. And I will say though, it was very hard. Like, I was stressed the whole time. I don't know if it was because I was also filming. Probably not the best use of your time, especially if you want to make a lot of money. But hey, I had fun and I hope you guys enjoyed this whole video. I'll definitely be doing more of these side hustles and see how much money I can make doing each of them. For example, I want to work in a boba shop. I want to drive for Lyft and Uber. I'm definitely going to try some of the other food delivery apps, such as DoorDash and Uber Eats. Anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. This video definitely took a lot out of me to make. So yeah, if you guys liked it, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this. I make a ton of videos about personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.